One of the best methods to make money quickly in Nigeria without paying a dime is to find legit websites that allows Nigerians to register and earn money by providing services. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Basi Ejogba and I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar. And in my channel, I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. That means if you love any of this content, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I post a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you the best websites to make money online in Nigeria. And as we all know that the internet is a marketplace where anyone can generate income in a variety of ways. And without wasting much time, I'm going to show you 4 legit Fiverr. This is a freelancing website that allows Nigerians with skills to make money by providing services to clients from all around the world. Freelancing is one of the best ways to make money online for free in Nigeria. This simply means you can make money through freelancing on Fiverr without you actually paying money. That means with just you knowing how to write, you can go on Fiverr and make money. As a Nigerian with no skills, you can also make money on Fiverr by doing simple Fiverr gigs that requires no skills. And Fiverr will pay you 80% of what your client paid you. That means if you deliver successfully and your clients pay you, Fiverr is going to pay you 80% while they keep the remaining 20%. So guys, you can go out and try Fiverr, and you can see that Fiverr is a very good network where if you know how to graphic design, if you know how to program, if you know how to do photography and a lot of stuff like that, you can come here and sign up on Fiverr. As you can see here, join. So you can come and join on Fiverr and you can make money as a Nigerian without paying a dime. This is Remitano. Remitano is a top website to consider if you want to generate income online by trading or investing in cryptocurrency in Nigeria. And cryptocurrency, I mean by Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, BNB and the rest of them. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency can be gotten at a lower price on Remitano P2P. That is a pay-to-pay trading platform when compared to other crypto websites and platforms. The trick to making profit with crypto trading in Nigeria is to buy different cryptocurrencies on Remitano websites at a cheaper price and sell them on a higher price on the Binance P2P platform. And in my last video that I just dropped, I dropped a video where you can do your pay-to-pay trading on Binance and you can make money. And that is known as crypto arbitrage. Crypto arbitrage is the art of looking for differences in price. So that is the same thing that is happening here on Remitano. Remitano is a website to consider if you want to buy cryptocurrency at a lower price and you will not transfer it to your Binance and sell at a higher price. That means you can make a lot of gain just by signing up on this platform and buying crypto and selling it to another platform and make gain. So guys, it is very simple to join on Remitano, and as you can see, it says buy and sell BTC in Nigeria. So you just create an account, it is free, or you sign up with your Google account or with your Facebook. So that is it for Remitano on how to make money in Nigeria. And don't forget to like and share this video so that you can continue getting updates anytime I post a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Upwork is one of the most popular freelance websites in the world with over 5 million registered users. The majority of Upwork registered clients are Americans, and Nigerians with high paying skills can lawfully earn a lot of money from the platform. Some of the skills that are needed here on this platform is app development, programming, copywriting, web development, and a lot of them as you can see here. So guys, you can come up on Upwork and make money at your very cool time. That means you can make money even at home. So this is the user interface of Upwork, and you can click here. As you can see on the upper side, you can see a sign up. That means if you click on sign up, it's going to take you on how you can register on Upwork and you can make money. So guys, this is Upwork. It says proof of quality, and it says no cost until you are hired. That means you are not going to pay money if you register on Upwork until you are hired, where the company can take their own percentage and still pay that percentage. And one thing about Upwork here is that you might get your money in dollars. That means converting the dollar rate to naira, you are going to make cool money just at home. So guys, go and try Upwork out and drop it in the comment section. So guys, if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, the last one on the list is known as YouTube. YouTube is a platform, a video platform, where Nigerians can make money by just creating and posting video content daily on the platform. Through the YouTube partnership program, as well as affiliate marketing and sponsorship, as a YouTuber, you can make money through YouTube. That means it depends on the kind of niche you are dealing with. That means if you are on finance niche or any type of niche, even though you are less than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, which is the requirement to be accepted into the YPP, that is a YouTube partnership program, you can make money also on your channel by doing affiliate marketing and by also sponsorship program. So guys, that is how you can make money on YouTube. Come on YouTube, you create your channel, and creating your channel, you start uploading video content. So guys, that is it on how to make money in Nigeria by following this simple website I have given. But please know that it is not enough to simply know the best platforms to make money online in Nigeria. You need to take massive action in order for you to earn. To make money, you need to sign up for one or more of these platforms which I have given you, and you need to provide excellent services on them. And when you provide excellent services on them, then there's a 100% guarantee that you are going to make money at your free time and at home. So guys, if you watch the video to the end, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I post a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, thank you.